Cask Brewing Systems began working with the craft brewing industry in the early 1980s and has been building affordable canning solutions for over a decade. As an industry leader in innovation and technology, Cask is very proud to introduce our semi-automated manual canning system, or SAMS. This innovative first-generation system has a streamlined, compact design and requires low capital and labor investment. With a footprint of approximately 8 by 2 feet and using a regular 220-volt power supply, the SAMS gives you the flexibility to move the system around your packaging area. The SAMS can produce up to 37 cases an hour. This doubles throughput of the manual system from 8 to 15 cans per minute, cutting labor costs in half. The process begins with an operator loading cans onto the conveyor. Once manually loaded into the chute, the operator doesn't touch the cans again until they are filled and seamed. As part of this new hands-free system, Cask has incorporated a CO2 pre-fill station for cans, as well as some under-lid gassing techniques that aren't possible on higher-speed systems. We've incorporated foam creation valves to the fill cycle to enable finer control of foaming prior to lid application, which keeps air out of the packaged beverage. Lids are automatically applied to filled cans and directed into the seamer. The SAMS titanium seaming wheels and hardened stainless steel chucks are the same found on the highest speed machines in the industry. With ease of access to the adjustment points and only a few hours of training needed to operate, even an inexperienced operator can gain a thorough understanding of the SAMS seaming technology. A simple, accessible touchscreen interface is easy to learn and operate, with separate screens for operation, manual adjustments, and clean-in-place functions. Changeover between 12 and 16-ounce can formats can be done in less than 15 minutes, making it the quickest changeover in the industry. Other formats are also available. Rinsing and drying cans complete the process, and in one simple step, the cans are bound into an attractive six-pack. No additional packaging is required for this convenient retail package. It's easier to fill and seam an aluminum can than it is to fill and cap a beer bottle. And unlike bottles, the cans are pre-printed, so there's no additional labeling required. The can is the beer drinker's choice of container almost 80% of the time because they're easier to handle, store, and recycle than glass bottles. Cans are the only container that provide 100% protection from the exposure to light, and their durability makes them the only acceptable beverage container for airlines, boats, beaches, and sports venues. With local parts and servicing, maintenance costs are a small fraction of what you'd pay on imported equipment. Help is a phone call away, and our technicians are available at a moment's notice. We've enjoyed working with craft brewers for the last 30 years and look forward to continuing to provide innovative canning solutions to our clients in the future. For more information, go to cask.com.